Hey everyone, Siavash here, and in this video I'm going to give you an update about our Jane app AI booking. So some of you were asking me about like, hey, what about if my client have like different shifts, different rooms, and those kind of things? Specifically like talking about the column. So you can see like in here we got kind of double booking. And this only happens if your clients have set up rooms or shifts and rooms within their staff members. And I'm going to show you how we can actually fix that. So this is going to be a new update coming out within a day. All right. So here I set up on the left-hand side. This is kind of like showing you exactly similar to what happened when you book an appointment in GHL. I don't want to go through the whole thing to kind of like bore you. But anyway, let's first of all look at the right hand side. So here's the difference. So if you look at the right hand side right now, I've booked a meeting from 2:30 p.m. for 30 minutes for this person, which is actually is this guy. So if I scroll up and if you look at the time, so this is the one that is being booked. And this version, we are hitting the booking appointment webhook using a room ID, okay? Or in your case, a room name. See what happens. So just look at in here. So I'm trying to book at the exact same time again. And if I hit send, just give it a sec, it will error that and it won't let you to book it because you're providing the room and the room is already filled out. Now, if I go ahead and actually don't provide the room, and try this again, see what happens. So I'm just going to quickly try this without the room. And what's going to happen is actually going to shove it in here next to this one. So it's actually going to tell you that it's been booked, which it shouldn't happen when you have the room thingy. So there you go. You see, it actually shove it in here and booked it. Okay. And you got the 200 response as well. So that is wrong. That should not happen. So let's just fix this up. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly delete these and also show you the other difference. So if I delete this one, let's delete this, and also let's delete this one to kind of show you it actually when we provide the room. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually provide the room again, and we're going to book it for the exact same time. Now you can see the uh, slot for that room is empty, so the booking should happen. Let's go ahead and test it and see actually if it's going to put it in there. So I'm going to try this again. Now it should actually book it inside this gray column, which is the actual room. So just give it a sec. And there we go. It booked in here and it's going to get it confirmed. Now, if I try it again for the same thing, which I should get that internal server error, which is basically telling you that it's a conflict, you won't be able to book it in here. Just give it a sec, and there you go. So this is even if you can't fix your what you call it, your GHL sync with your Jane, which I would suggest when you do the subscribing. Let me just give me a quick. So there's two things. You can subscribe to the shift and you can subscribe to the appointment calendar. So I would suggest to do both of them to see if your room's schedule coming in. But I know that there is a kind of like an issue with Jane that the room scheduling is not coming in. However, what we are doing in here, even if you're not getting the correct room, we're still not going to let you to have conflict. So you can actually notify your clients. And all you need to do for those of you that already have this subscription is to update your webhooks if you want to add the room. So this is how it's going to look like. So you should already have this, and all you need to do is what we call room name, and you need to type in exactly the name of the room that you have in there with the spaces, with everything. Unfortunately, the demo account for Jane doesn't let me to show you room names, and I won't be able to use anyone else's account to show you the room name, but the room name's coming exactly as when you go to the settings and look at the room schedules, grab the name, uh, exactly right there, similar way that you did with treatment, put it there, and we're gonna do the rest for you. Let me know if you have any questions, but yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye.